Alright, welcome everybody to my tour of four-wheel campers located in Northern California. If you're thinking about buying a camper from them and you're wondering how they're made, well, this video is for you. Again, located in Northern California, they've been making campers since 1972. They're in 12 different states, 7 different countries. They employ about 100 people, and this facility that we're looking at is about 100,000 square feet, and every camper is handmade. What we're looking at here is one of their delivery trucks and is a great example of what a flatbed camper is going to look like. So they're going to remove the bed of the truck, they're going to make those wheel wells, install a flatbed, and the camper sits on top of it. It's going to give you the most space out of any of their models. Here's an example of a slide-in. So the bed stays on there, tailgate is removed. This happens to have a fold-out utility box and spare, but that's what a slide-in unit might look like. I was ridiculously impressed with how busy they were. Everywhere I looked, there were campers that were finished, either ready to be installed or delivered. Oceans of campers everywhere. There's a quick shot of their installation bay and repair bay. And let's get into it. Again, everything's made by hand. The wood shop that's on the premises has CNC machining that they use to make sure everything is fit perfectly. They have another area that takes care of the cushions and the sewing and the fabric development. And here's kind of where everything starts. So the aluminum is put onto a jig. Somebody's gonna come and weld everything together, sand it, finish it, and that's what starts the frame. And then it slowly gets put together. There's a gentleman kind of sanding off some welds. And then they start to put the frame together. So at any given time, there's gonna be 3 lanes, right? 3 lanes. And then they go through a procedure where they fit everything together like this, they weld it, and then maybe it goes to the next area where they put the cabinets in, and then the electrical is installed, and it moves forward one at a time until it starts taking shape just like this. I'm pretty sure this is the roof. It's a one-piece aluminum roof, and then it finally ends up here where it's a final quality check. You can see those 2 lanes. There's actually one more on the far side. And then you end up with something that looks like these guys. I cannot believe how fortunate I was to take one of these through the Grand Tetons into Yellowstone. Just incredibly well made, incredibly versatile, and most of all, extremely fun to drive. Alright guys, that's the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to check them out, it's fourwheelcampers.com. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.